You don't need money to become a business owner. Have you ever wondered if it's truly possible to invest with absolutely $0 in your pocket? Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide that will show you just how to turn that curiosity into reality. From innovative strategies to real-life success stories, get ready to unlock the secrets of investing without spending a dime. Step 1. Choose a free business idea. The adventure of launching your own business begins with a single electrifying idea. Imagine igniting a venture without the weight of initial capital or outside investments. Your journey starts with uncovering a business idea that resonates deeply with your passions and the needs of the world around you. It's about finding that golden opportunity where creativity meets practicality, where your skills and aspirations converge into a blueprint for success. Step 2. Write a business plan. Creating a business plan becomes your compass through uncharted waters. This strategic roadmap isn't just a formality, it's your master plan for transforming ideas into reality. Your blueprint begins with defining your company, a narrative that encapsulates your vision, business model, and legal framework. Will you steer towards the nimbleness of an LLC, the robust structure of a corp, or perhaps carve a path as a sole proprietorship? Each choice holds its own promise. Next, go on a quest through market research. Delve into the demographics of your future patrons. Understand their desires and aspirations. Will you sell directly to your audience or forge alliances with wholesalers? Uncover how your strategy stacks against the competition and uncover the gaps waiting to be filled. Now, imagine the heartbeat of your enterprise, your products and services. Each offering is more than just an item. It's a solution that resonates with your customers. Paint a vivid picture of why they'll flock to your offerings amidst a sea of choices. No journey is complete without a savvy navigator, your marketing strategy. Whether through the enchantment of social media, the precision of targeted advertising, or the intimacy of email campaigns, chart a course that captivates and converts. As you chart your course, logistics and operations mustn't be overlooked. How will you seamlessly deliver your promises? Will you rely on the agility of dropshipping, the efficiency of third-party logistics, or the personal touch of handling it yourself? The path you choose shapes your customer's experience. Of course, the quest for treasure demands a financial map. Detail your path to profitability. Identify your financial needs, expenses, and projections. It's not just about making money. It's about the journey towards sustainability and growth. Business planning isn't merely about seeking funding. It's about crafting clarity and conviction. Even if you chart your own course without investors, the value of a well-crafted plan cannot be overstated. Step 3. Embrace the entrepreneur community. Ever wondered how small pockets of change could transform into thriving businesses? Imagine a world where every dollar counts and every connection could mean the difference between struggle and success. Dive headfirst into the vibrant community of entrepreneurs. These trailblazers have mastered the art of starting big on a shoestring budget. They hold the keys to a treasure trove of invaluable insights that could propel your business forward without breaking the bank. But how do you find them? It's simpler than you think. Network, network, network. Leap into conferences. Go online. Seek guidance from business mentors. In this electrifying ecosystem, every connection sparks potential. Every idea ignites creativity, and every conversation carries the promise of something extraordinary. Step 4. Choose a business name. Now comes the thrilling part of forging your business's identity, choosing its name. This is more than just a label, it's the cornerstone of your brand's journey. Imagine the exhilaration of brainstorming a name that resonates deeply, that stands out like a beacon in a crowded marketplace. Your business name should sparkle with memorability and charm, a name that effortlessly rolls off the tongue of your future customers. But beware, the quest for the perfect name isn't merely about creativity. It's also about availability. You'll want a name that's not only catchy, but also uniquely yours, ready to be claimed across all digital frontiers. Once you've uncovered that gem of a name, the next step is to secure its digital footprint. Snag the corresponding domain name, ensuring your online presence starts strong with something like brand.com. Then, stake your claim on social media platforms with handles like facebook.com brand, cementing your brand's presence in the digital sphere. Step 5. Create a brand. Congratulations on defining your business name. It's the first step towards shaping a distinctive brand identity. Building a brand goes far beyond just a catchy name or a cool logo. It's about creating a vibrant personality that resonates with your audience and sets you apart in the market. Your brand isn't just about visuals. It's a tapestry woven with values, a mission that drives you, and a story that connects deeply with your customers. Imagine infusing your brand with a palette of colors that speak volumes, fonts that dance across screens, and a photography style that captures attention with every glance. It's also about the voice you use, how you speak to your customers, the tone you strike, and even the people you bring on board. Your brand guidelines will become your compass, guiding everything from your social media strategies to how you hire and communicate. Step 6. Launch a website. Now that your brand is taking shape, it's time to make a grand entrance onto the digital stage, starting with your very own website. While social media can get the buzz going, your website acts as your online headquarters, a place where visitors can explore, learn, and ultimately connect with your offerings. A sleek website that not only showcases your products, but also tells your brand story in every pixel. With platforms like Shopify, you can bring this vision to life for as little as $5 a month. Picture themed product pages that draw customers in, a seamless checkout experience that turns browsing into buying, and a blog that keeps your audience engaged and informed. Step 7. Validate ideas with pre-orders. Launching a business without a big bankroll? No problem. Embrace the power of pre-orders, a savvy way to gather upfront cash before committing to production. It's not just about the money. Pre-orders also whip up excitement and buzz around your brand. Take the inspiring story of Remy Martins, who conceived natural girl wigs while juggling a full-time gig. Armed with a vision and some Instagram flair, she teased her unique wig line to gauge interest. The response was overwhelming. Remy recalls, "People were craving wigs tailored for natural hair." Rather than diving headfirst into production, Remy smartly validated her concept with pre-orders. Partnering with a skilled stylist, she refined her product and rolled it out to eager customers. "We sold out our initial 50 units within 60 days, she beams. That initial success fueled my $1,000 investment into inventory and marketing." Step 8. Source funding to grow. Once your business idea proves its mettle and cash starts flowing, it's time to level up. Reinvesting profits is just the beginning. You can explore various funding avenues to scale your venture to new heights. Shopify Capital offers a lifeline with tailored lending solutions, ensuring your shelves are always stocked with bestsellers. Need more firepower? Small business loans provide substantial funding for payroll, inventory, or that game-changing marketing campaign. And for those aiming high, angel investors and venture capitalists inject capital in exchange for a stake in your dream. Small business grants. These coveted funds, often with no repayment required, can supercharge your growth plans with their generous support. Whether you're eyeing expansion or looking to innovate, securing the right funding can transform your startup into a powerhouse. It's not just about money. It's about fueling your entrepreneurial spirit and making dreams a reality. From leveraging your skills to exploring creative funding options, you've learned the steps to turn your financial ambitions into reality. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips on financial empowerment. Start your journey to financial independence today, because investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. See you in the next video.